느끼지 못한 날 화면밖에 네 표정을 본 적이 있어.
We're in Ikea. My boyfriend and I are gonna go get my coffee table. It's my fault.
I was about to say.
You tell me sorry and then you say it's my fault. We got my coffee table and my boyfriend's gonna put it up for me. Right, babe? Whatever. We came to Ikea for the coffee table. We got the coffee table. Actually, I thought they were sold out, so that's good. We got it. And you're gonna put it together for me. Right? Yes?
Maybe.
Okay, whatever. Well, we're gonna go to Ross next. 2 Rosses and then food. Yes. This is kind of interesting. Hey guys, so we're at the park to play Pokemon. My boyfriend got really back into Pokemon and then he made me get into Pokemon, so we're at like the biggest park in Memphis, the Shelby Farm Park, whatever. And yeah, it's a really pretty park. But now we're gonna go get ice cream first.
My boyfriend a suede do-rag.
Hey guys, so I don't think I explained to you exactly where I was today, but I thought it was a hair, like we're going to a specifically hair event, but actually it was more of like a entrepreneur kind of event, like starting entrepreneurs. I think it's mostly black people, but I did see some people that weren't black as well. And I probably shouldn't have spent so much money, but for the most part, the things that I got I was interested in. And also the other thing, I just wanted to support a little girl and it was cute, so I got all of these items. So let's do a little mini haul, like really mini haul. Okay, time for our mini haul. I actually promoted my channel on, it was like a spur of the moment thing, and my friend that I actually did my past video with, well, it's not gonna be past video, you guys are gonna see it after, but she was like, let's do it. They were basically like, you can come in the room and they'll interview you, ask you what your company does, etc. And they were like, yeah, you can do it for your YouTube. So like, why not? Let's shout ourselves out. So we went on there and talked about, you know, what we do and stuff. Who did our interview was like a black owned magazine, and so they gave us a little booklet, talks about a few things, features a few people, you know, like the normal stuff a magazine does. Like it has this segment about these girls and their like cupcakes and like hair products as well. So I got a coupon for a massage from this local masseur thing. He seemed like a really nice guy. And then I also heard about this lady. She runs a private school and there's not many private schools ran by minorities. She also said they do like pre-K free. So I was like, wow, that's really amazing. So she gave me this little booklet. So cute. It's called SE Academy Independent School. So that's cool. This is the guy that put on the event. And it was actually funny because we met him just randomly and I was like, hey, are you the guy that's laying down on these things? He's like, wait, what are you talking about? I'm like, you just posing laying down, blah, blah, blah. And he started laughing. He's like, yeah, that's me. I put on this event. And it was their first time doing the event, and it was really successful in my opinion. Like, they got a lot of people to come out, and like, you know, usually events where it is the first time, it's usually not that good. Like, you know, it takes a little bit, like a trial run, like, and every year you get better, but they started off pretty well, so I can't wait to see how it looks next year. And the name of the event was the 2018 Mid-South Entrepreneurship Expo. And yeah, this is pretty cool. You know, they had speakers, like a bunch of like vendors promoting their business. I got a lot of business cards, all the business cards. And I got a free phone case, but I don't have an iPhone, so I'm pretty sure this is not gonna fit. The case is free. I got this, which I can put on my camera because I already have like a smaller strap on there. I got a fidget spinner. Oh, that looks so trippy on camera. Lights up. Wait. I need to give this to my brothers because, like, what am I gonna do with this? Then there was like a wireless phone company, some girls online boutique. And so let's move into what I bought. So I bought this girl's. I'm so proud of the moms that push their daughters to like start so young at business and stuff, because I feel like when I was young I had a dream, but like I wasn't really pushed in that direction that much. So I feel like I lost it kind of, and I don't know, I just, you know, it was really refreshing. Like, man, you gotta get your kids started early like that, have that drive, that hustle in them. So there was a little girl, and her mom and stuff, they put together like lip glosses and nail polishes. Honestly, I should think about it more as supporting, because for me, if I'm not going to use it, I don't want to buy it, because that's just my personality. At first I wasn't going to buy anything. However, I looked at her glitter nail and it was popping, and she had like silver glitter, and then I was like, oh, I don't think I want silver glitter. But then I saw this green glitter and I was like, oh, that's a cute color, I'll support you, I'll buy it. So it's so pretty. And this is the name of her company, this little girl's company. And like, look at that, that's so pretty. So that'll be my next nail color for sure, because it's so cute, and my nails fading. So the next thing I bought from iSwag, they sell sunglasses. Their business card has like sunglasses all over it. And y'all, I don't know if y'all know, but well, maybe you saw in my apartment tour my sunglasses collection, but I'm obsessed with sunglasses. So when I saw, I was like, my friend who I went with, she's obsessed with sunglasses. So I was like, we can't go over here, we can't go over here. She's like, we're going. So we went over, and of course I bought a pair of sunglasses. So these are what they look like. Ooh. I really like them, and I actually don't have any like this, so it's not like a repeat buy, because I have bought some similar sunglasses before. Then there was a natural hair company, and my friend has tried them before, and I'm gonna if she says the product's good, I'm gonna try it. Her hair is long and voluptuous. Y'all go see her in my video and you'll understand. Like, so if she says it's good, I'm gonna buy it. So I had my eye on this growth stimulating oil, and the packaging's so cute. It says no gluten, no mineral oil, no parabens, no paraffin, no petroleum, no propylene. I feel like the more it goes down, the more I can't pronounce the words. No silicone, no sulfates. Ingredients: castor oil, rosemary essential oil, grapeseed oil, eucalyptus essential oil, tea tree essential oil, vitamin E essential oil blend for scent. So looks good. Actually, so while I was at this booth and we're like buying, my friend knew one of the ladies. It was her cousin's mom or aunt or something like that, and she does natural hair. I was like, how could you not tell me? I need someone to do my hair. So I was like, you got a card? Like, now I have a natural hair lady to like give me trims, and she also does braids. So winter's coming, guys. I'll be up in there getting me some Singalese braids. So she has her like business card. I like her image because it's a tree with a pick in it. That's innovative. I like that. But like, this is her picture card, so you can see what she's done. This is her very cute business card, and it has like stuff on the back. She does shampoo and deep conditioning with scalp massage therapy, oil treatments and hydration, lock startup, maintenance and styles, scalp braids and flat twists, bantu knots, comb coils. I'm ready. I'm about to follow her on Instagram. Oh, she got YouTube too? We be there. She said she'll get her shop up in like the next 2 weeks. So I'll be there. Time to trim this. I'll be there like every month, like hook me up, trim my hair please. Also, I joined a raffle and like I never win anything. So I was just like, whatever, I'll just join the raffle. My friend was doing it, so I did. And they text me saying I won. So I got this cute clipboard. It's all entrepreneur themed, so stuff you can use in your business. So I got this very cute clipboard, very me, nice and tropical. So that was all I got at this event. It was really cool. You know, I haven't been to an event like that in a while where everyone's like there supporting each other. You know, it's nice to go out and like do stuff like that. Like, that's out of the norm for me, so I really enjoyed that. And like, the thing that stood out to me was the kids where their parents were really pushing them to start young and doing this stuff and being successful at such a young age. I was like, wow, that's great. Like, that's something I want to instill in my kid. Like, if there's something you want to do, you're not too young, let's do it now. So I definitely like that. So, but yeah, so that's what I was doing today, guys. Yeah, I'm hungry now, so I'm gonna leave.